So in today's video, we are going to be covering ways to make even more money to support your travel habit and get you on more vacations. So if you're ready, let's go. Hey guys, I am coming to you today from a parking lot. So yeah, super cool. The reason I'm in a parking lot is because it is currently during coronavirus. And as a travel agent by trade, let's just say the travel industry is not super popping right now. And so business is kind of slow. So what I've decided to do is to take advantage of some of the gig economy opportunities to earn some extra money so that I can keep supporting my travel habit and keep traveling and not have to stop. I mean, I have to stop for quarantines, but once they're over, I still want to be able to be planning more and more trips as the year goes on, and I don't want to miss out. So I have decided to do DoorDash. Which it's coronavirus, thus the bandana, because that's not my usual, choice in fashion. But I'm sitting here in the parking lot waiting for my next order, and I figured, you know what? There might be more people out there that are looking to either A, make extra money just for yourself, for your household, or you are wanting to save up for a big trip, or maybe you want to earn money and travel across the country and just stop and do DoorDash, every place you stop, and it could pay for your entire trip across or road trip anywhere that you go. So I figured, hey, you know what? Let's throw it out there. See if it's something you're interested in, if it's something that might be helpful. And if so, fantastic. And so here I am. So I want to share with you today why I chose DoorDash and what my experience has been and kind of the benefit I see in it, and see if it might be something that you're interested in. I actually have 2 college-age kids. And they actually started with DoorDash first and told me about it. They said it was really super easy. And so I decided, what the heck? I'm sitting at home a lot. I might as well go make money while I'm doing it. So I signed up. Sign up is super easy. You can sign up in about 5 or 10 minutes and literally be working and going out on runs the same day. It's actually very simple. So I just started this weekend. I've only been doing it for 3 days. And I have to say, it's actually pretty fun. I mean, yeah, there's times when you're sitting in a parking lot, but when you're dashing, it's actually kind of cool because it kind of reminds me of gambling, where you get the little notification. You're like, ooh, how much is this one going to be? I wonder, what it is. And when you get those $10, $12, $15 orders, you're like, woohoo! It's like hitting a jackpot or hitting a, 777s or something like that, which I know it sounds low when you say, oh, you got a $10 order, whoopity-doo. But if you can do a $10 order and pick it up at the restaurant and deliver it within 10, 15 minutes, depending on how far away the person is, and then you do that several times an hour, I've been averaging about $30 an hour, which I know is high in DoorDash world. I know it can range anywhere from, depending on where you live, 15 to 20 to 25 an hour. But maybe it's because of coronavirus and more people are ordering in. I don't know, but I've actually been able to have some pretty good success. And I only go out 2 or 3 hours at a time. I'm not out all day long waiting for orders. So it's actually pretty cool. So each week I can make a couple hundred extra bucks, maybe even $500 extra a week. So that's $2,000 a month I can throw into my vacation kitty, or I can use to help pay bills, or I can use for whatever. And it's really super easy. You go out whenever you want, you stop whenever you want. There's no one telling you what to do or how to do it. It's actually kind of fun, pretty easy. So I highly recommend it if you're looking for ways to make some extra money. So anyway, if this is something that you're interested in and you want to hear more about, maybe some diaries about it or some sharing my experiences with it, I'd be happy to give you that. I mean, I'm not really a gig economy channel, but if it's something that can help you travel more and help you find a way to pay for your vacations and help you travel as much as you would like to, then I'm happy to share that information with you. So if that would be helpful, please go ahead and tell me in the comments. If you do not want this information at all and it's not helpful at all, please also tell me that too. And I will not do this again. Either way, I'd love to hear from you. If you find this helpful at all, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And so you don't miss any of our videos. We come out with 2 to 3 videos every week, all things travel planning, tips and tricks from professionals, as well as travel destination reviews and inspiration and all things travel. So I would love to have you. Anyway, I want to thank you so much. And this is kind of quick and to the point, but I want to thank you so much for stopping by. And I want to wish you a safe and healthy day and happy travels. Bye-bye.